A lawsuit filed against North Carolina House Speaker Tim Moore accuses him of using his position of power to engage in an affair with another state government employee. Former Apex Town Council member Scott Lassiter filed what they call an alienation of affection lawsuit. It claims Moore was having a multi-year affair with his wife. Both she and Moore deny these allegations. North Carolina, though, one of only a few states in the country that even allows this sort of thing, a husband or wife to sue a person who had an affair with their spouse. We want to bring in Charles Ullman, a local family law and divorce attorney, joins us now live to walk us through a little bit of this from a legal perspective. First, can you just explain how rare this is? How many other states even allow this type of thing?
Very few, actually. There are about 6 states that allow alienation of affection cases at this time.
How often? I mean, okay, just because they allow them doesn't mean this is a common thing. I mean, I can't say I remember hearing of this before. How often are lawsuits like these filed each year in, let's say, a place like North Carolina?
You would have probably in the neighborhood of 500-600 cases would be my estimation for that. It'd be very difficult to track because until recently you could only go to the courthouses to see how many would be filed. But that would be my estimate.
Well, you would think if somebody is upset, if there was adultery or alleged adultery in a marriage, that somebody would take this step. Are they often successful when they are put in front of a judge?
They are. They are successful in the sense that you look into it and make sure that you have a valid claim that the client wants to pursue. So yes, they are successful, and we take a look at all the things that are necessary for the elements to be met in front of a judge or a jury and go through that with the clients from the first time they come into our office.
Typically, what makes a case strong? What types of evidence, powers their claim a bit? Is it text, pictures, that sort of thing? What is used in a case like this?
We certainly use text, emails, cell phones are full of evidence all the time, but we want to look for something where there's a genuine affection between the couple, where it's a long-term involvement typically adds to the dollar value and to the claim. So it's not something just at the end of the relationship, but something that's gone on for years, and something that's been multiple acts between the parties, and something that would be the spouse that's involved in it and the paramour, the third party, the person who's getting sued. So that would be the two people that are involved, and there aren't other issues about that person having an affair with yet another person or 2 or 3 other people beyond the person that you're suing.
Okay, very interesting. You learn something every day. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Thanks for doing the interview with us tonight. And for anyone at home, we have posted the full lawsuit, if you're interested, of this story on WRAL.com.